We're back with another video. Welcome, bienvenidos. I saw how much you guys loved my last Amazon video, so I thought I would film kind of like a round two, and I think I'm going to make this a thing. We're going to keep doing Amazon videos as long as I keep finding some really cool stuff on Amazon. I'll link the last one that I filmed down below, and I'll link it up here as well for you guys. But these are all products that I've been using like crazy lately, and a lot of the things in here are kind of things you didn't even know that you needed, but once you have them, you realize like, okay, I really needed this in my life. Before we get into it, I don't know if I've mentioned this on here, but I am starting to do mystery box giveaways. So I have boxes like this. I've already gave one away. I have 9 left over, but I think I'm going to keep this going even after I give them all away because I get a lot of free makeup products and skincare and hair care. So I'm making these mystery boxes to give away to you guys. I'll put the rules down below, but basically anybody who's been showing love, always commenting, liking my videos, sharing my videos, and I'm even doing these over on my Instagram. So if you follow me on there, you'll get double the chance of winning. You basically just have to be showing love, like I said, by commenting and liking on my stuff, and whoever's username that I recognize that's always, you know, commenting and stuff like that, then I'll just give one away to that person. I won't be announcing when I'm gonna do them. I did for my first one, but I'm not gonna announce them anymore. So you basically have to watch my videos from beginning to end to see if I'm doing one in that video, because I will be doing them towards the end of my videos. With that being said, again, I'll put specifics in the description box, but let's just go ahead and jump into some of my Amazon favorites. Looking over, I have the most random selection of products here, but I'm just gonna pick and go like I always do. I first have this waffle wrap or towel. It's like a spa inspired towel, and it looks kind of like, what is going on? It looks like a skirt, but the way that this works, when you get out of the shower and let's say you don't know what to wear, or you just kind of want to walk around, dry off, do your makeup, whatever, and you have your towel wrapped around, you know how it always falls? Well, here is the perfect solution for that. This towel has Velcro on it. So the way that you do it, you just put it on like a regular towel, just like that. You Velcro it, obviously without like clothes under, and it stays in place. It's also stretchy. You can see it has a nice stretch to it, so it's kind of like a one size fits all. You don't have to worry about your towel falling off, because I know how annoying that can get. This was definitely one of those things that I was like, I didn't even know this existed, but I need it in my life. I like getting ready in a towel before I put my clothes on. That way I don't get makeup on my clothes too. If I get this dirty, I can just throw it in the washer. The worst thing is when you have your outfit on already and then you drop translucent powder on your black t-shirt, or you spill foundation on yourself, and then you have to think of a whole new outfit. So this is kind of like a little mini lifesaver. These I also like to use while I'm getting ready. So if I'm thinking of doing a sleek hairstyle, let's say I'm wearing my hair in the middle part straightened, or if I'm doing a low sleek bun, I have a lot of little flyaways, as you guys can see right here. So I need these in my life. I got these obviously off of Amazon, but they come in a pack of, I don't even know how many. I think there were 4 of these little packs or more. And they come in different colors. They come in black, they come in this greenish white color, and then in a light peachy pink. And what you use these for, it's hard for me to show you right now, but if you have your hair split down the middle, even if you don't, let's say you're trying to do this hairstyle right here, you'll just put some hairspray, and for example, I have a flyaway right here, put hairspray and then put this clip here. This little thing around the clip is gonna prevent any creasing from going on. You know when you put a bobby pin to try to tame your flyaways and you end up with a line wherever you put the bobby pin? This prevents that from happening. When you first straighten your hair and it's nice and warm, put this wherever your flyaways are and let it cool off, get ready, put your clothes on, do your makeup, and take them off at the end, and then you'll see that it's nice and sleek. You don't have any of those bobby pin weird lines going on, and you don't have to worry about your flyaways. From there, let's talk about something super random, and this is a car vacuum. I got this because where we live, there are always leaves and dirt and stuff on the floor, And every single time I get in my car, it never fails, I end up with little pieces of leaves or trash, whatever. It's kind of annoying, but good thing there are things for this. Obviously, I wash my car. I mean, that's a given. But there are so many times when I wash my car and then the next day the carpets are already full of dirt and leaves. And that's exactly what I use this for. The one that I have looks like this, and you just power it on from here. So it comes with this one. It comes with this long one where you can attach it if you need to reach in certain areas. And it also comes with the brush one, like if you want to get down dirty. I usually just use this one. So you attach it here. Boom. It specifically has the car little plug-in. It's one of those things I don't really see a lot of people have in their cars, but I just use this a lot, and it saves me time and money from going and just vacuuming my car. This right here isn't the cutest one in the world. I didn't get it for the looks though. I got it for the functionality and for what it does, and it's just this black fanny pack. And I got this because there are times where I take Toby out on a walk and I have my phone, I have my keys, I have his toys, so I'm carrying too many things at once. And I don't want to carry like a full-on purse. I'm just going to be, you know, walking around the complex. So I don't want to take a purse with me or a backpack. And this, I can just tie it around my waist. I'll put my phone in the front, the keys, and his toy balls in here. And everything fits perfectly. I don't have to take a big old thing. Even if I go to the gym to work out, I can use this for that too, because I don't really carry a big old gym bag. I wanted to share this little bag because I showed it on my Instagram, and a lot of you did the little swipe up to shop it. So I was like, let me show it to my YouTube fam as well. And it's this little backpack right here. I got it because Chris and I are Disney annual pass holders, and this is going to be my little Disneyland backpack, and it fits the perfect amount of stuff for me. I have my phone, my wallet, my keys. I'll throw in a little hand sanitizer and whatever else, lip gloss, whatever I need to carry for the day, and I don't have to carry a big old heavy bag with me. I don't usually carry a bunch of stuff anyway, and if I do, I'll just, you know, leave it in the car. If I need a sweater later on at night, I'll just go back to the car and get it, and that way I don't have to carry it. It's not a super luxe, high quality feeling bag, but it does the job. So you can use this like a regular backpack, or you can even take these off and wear it like a regular purse on the side. You can see right here it has the little like hook, and then right here too, so you can wear it on the side. It shows you on Amazon like the different ways that you can wear it. I just like to use it like a regular little backpack. One of my favorite straighteners broke on me, and so I was like super desperate to get a new straightener. I needed a straightener, so I went on Amazon and I found this one. It's HSI Professional. I've used this one over my other favorite straightener. I was planning on just using this one temporarily, you know, while my other one came in the mail. But ever since I got it, I cannot stop using it. This one just leaves my hair super sleek, shiny. It doesn't feel like it's tugging at my hair at all. I love it. It comes with a little bag too that you can use, and a glove. I don't use any of that. It's just, I freaking love the straightener. I cannot put it down. And I think it's like $40. The reviews speak for itself. You can see how many stars it has, how many people have tried it and have reviewed it. It's a really, really good straightener, especially if you don't want to spend an arm and a leg for a more high-end one. These are so random, but I recently started using these because I wear a lot of push-up bras. Right now I'm wearing a push-up bra, so it kind of looks like I have some cleavage going on, but I struggle. I'm one of the lucky girls that's part of the itty bitty titty committee, so I have to find ways to kind of make things happen for myself. And one of the things I do is wear push-up bras. I want to do a whole video talking about undergarments and slips and bras, like my favorite ones. So in the comments, let me know if you guys want to see that. I've asked you guys, I think, before, but give this video a thumbs up if you guys do want to see a video all about that. But these are these little bra inserts, chicken cutlets is what I hear people call them, but I found these and they come in this is so weird that I'm like, they come in so handy. But if you have a bra that's not padded and you don't want to go out and buy a Victoria's Secret bombshell bra, that's what I'm wearing right now, by the way. But if you don't want to go out and buy that, you can just buy some of these. They're a lot cheaper, and throw them into your bra that you already have. And it adds a cup or two. It makes them look a lot more fuller, gives you a little bit of cleavage without making it look like too much. I'll show you guys kind of like a demo in my other video, obviously like with clothes on and stuff, but I'll show you guys how these work if I do end up filming that video. What I will say though is you don't want to wear these, you want to be careful, I should say, if you're going to wear these for like a night out or somewhere where you're going to be moving a lot, because they can kind of like slip out, and that's the last thing that you want, is a little chicken cutlet sticking out of your shirt. I have a few tech things, and then I'll show you some home stuff. I only have like 2 home things, but this right here, I never knew that this was a thing either. And this is let me see what it's called. It's called a replacement battery grip. So what you do here on the side, as you can see, you twist it, and you have 2 batteries in your camera instead of 1. So you make sure you charge the 2 batteries. I got these on Amazon as well. You put them in there, close it up, and then you attach this to the bottom of your camera. You put this inside where the battery normally goes on the camera. You just twist it right here to make sure it's nice and tight. And you have 2 batteries instead of 1. Double the power. One of the things that I really dislike is when I'm out and about taking photos or whatever and my camera starts dying on me. So having double the power really makes my camera last super, super long. This is perfect if you love taking photos. If you're also a blogger, you'll have a lot more time to take photos or video or whatever. You don't have to worry about plugging in your batteries to charge them or whatever. Even if you're not a blogger and you have a camera and you just like taking it for like Disneyland or the theme park or the beach, or if you're having a family party and you don't want to worry about your camera dying on you, that's really good. This right here is a remote, and this is for your phone. So I'm sometimes by myself and I want to take a photo on my iPhone. Now I have one of these for my camera, but I like taking a lot of my outfit photos and a lot of my selfies on my iPhone because it gives you more of a realistic look at your outfit or your makeup look, whatever. I just love taking photos on my iPhone. Sometimes I'll sprinkle in a little bit more of the professional photos on my Instagram, but I love taking photos on my iPhone. And iPhones take really good pictures. So this right here, you use it, you just put on your Bluetooth on your phone, and then you use this to take photos from afar. You can take outfit pictures, or you can take, portraits, whatever you want to take, but you just, at the click of a button, your phone takes your photo. You can do a timer if you want. You can do it without a timer, but it's really, really handy, and it's super tiny. You can throw it into your purse. You can throw it into your little fanny pack or your little Minnie Mouse backpack, whatever you want, but this has come really, really handy too. Not too long ago, I went to my cousin's house up in Sacramento, and her house is beautiful, first of all. And in the bathrooms, they have these little hand towels, and I really like using these, especially whenever I have people over. We don't have people over that often, but when I do, I love having these. I always have them on display, but it's really good because if you have cousins, nieces, nephews, kids of your own, you can just have them grab one of these right here. You don't have to worry about them dirtying up your decoration towels. We know how that works. We have towels on display, and the next thing you know, kids are rubbing their super dirty hands on there, and then your clean, crisp, white decoration towels are full of hot Cheetos or something. So yeah, having these on deck is perfect. On Amazon, I think they sell them in a pack of 6 or 8, and I'm always getting these. Now, if you don't want to waste a bunch of these, then you can just put them out whenever you know you're going to have guests over. But I always have these on deck. And the cool thing too is wherever you have your towel rail, you can put this upside down, and it's kind of like they just pull them out just like that. The way I have it displayed though is I have them in a little basket, and then people can just pull them out that way as well. In my last Amazon video, I showed you some tumblers that I love and use all the time, but I found some even better ones, and they're a lot bigger. These are pretty much like the Starbucks, I don't know if it's venti or if it's the bigger size. I think the Trenti? I don't know. But these are really, really big tumblers, and if you like drinking juice, iced tea, water, and you like to have a bigger one, or if you just love a bunch of ice and you love a nice ice cold drink, then these will be really good. I like them because I can obviously fit a lot more liquid, but me specifically, I do put a lot of ice in whatever I'm drinking, whether it's iced coffee, iced tea, soda. Well, I don't really drink soda, but if it's juice, whatever it is, I put a bunch of ice. Another home thing are these little laundry baskets. So I usually get my laundry baskets from Walmart, just the white ones that have the holes and they roll. Those are convenient for me because I can roll them to the laundry mat here at our complex. But for organizing my laundry, I have 4 of these little laundry baskets. They're very slim. They have wheels on them as well, so you can kind of wheel them around. And they have this thing on the top, this little net, and you can close it up like that if you're going to take it to the laundromat. Like I said, I have 4 of them. I have one for my lights, for my darks, for my colors, and for my towels. And it just makes it look a lot more neat, and there isn't clothes everywhere. The clothes isn't all mixed up. So whenever I need to wash something in particular, I know exactly where it's at. I can just take that basket and wash it. I think they have different colors and different sizes, but I got all 4 of mine in the same color and the same size. And I'm able to fit them in my little closet and they fit perfectly. I don't have this here with me. It's in my car, but I'll show you a photo of it. And it's Toby's little car seat. If you have a pet and you want to take them with you to the beach or wherever you go, you can get this little car seat. And it's like a legit car seat. You can tie them up. That way they're not moving around and running around. I got it for Toby because he's just all over the place, especially because he's a puppy. He likes to walk around and be everywhere. And surprisingly, he loves his little car seat. I got mine in black because the interior of my car is black and I'm just a little OCD when it comes to stuff like that. You just tie it with the seat belt. I'll show you guys a video. You tie it with the seat belt, and then it comes with a little attachment that you put on the seat belt, and you're able to hook it onto their collar. What I did though, because Toby is tiny, I got him an extra small little vest, and then I hook it onto the vest. That way it's not tugging at his neck and like choking him, you know. And he has enough room to stand up and look outside, to move around and everything. I have his blanket in there. He loves his little car seat. And it's funny porque se deja. When I put the little like hook on him, he like loves it. He knows he's about to go on a car ride. But it's super cute. Constantly using it with Toby because he's always super hyper. Those were all of my current Amazon favorites. I'm always buying different things on Amazon. So if you guys enjoyed this one as well, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and by letting me know in the comments. That way I can keep going with them because like I said, I'm always finding random cool things on Amazon and I'd love to share them with you guys. Thank you for watching. Everything will be linked down below for you guys to easily shop. And I'll put my Amazon shop as well, where I have other things that I buy from Amazon too. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Los quiero mucho. And I will see you all in my next video.